guys, welcome to Spice and Mix. So today I've come up with another new recipe here. This is not chicky. Okay, this is a peanut butter oats bar. So this is a very quick and no bake recipe. So without further ado, let's move into the recipe. So guys, for preparing this no bake peanut butter oats bar, we would be needing rolled oats. This is not the instant oats that we get in the shop. This is old fashioned rolled oats that I have ordered from online. So I have taken about 1 cup of this oats. So as you can see, this is from Organic Forest. You will get it online easily. Next, as the name suggests, we would be needing peanut butter. So this is not the normal nutty peanut butter. This is a creamy peanut butter. So for this recipe, we need a creamy peanut butter. I have taken about 1/3 cup of this. Next we require is honey. I have taken about 1/4 cup of honey here. So the next ingredient is oil. Here I have taken about 1/4 cup of coconut oil. You can take any other oil as well, but make sure that the oil that you're taking is unflavored one and not flavored one. So guys, I have taken a pan here. Into this I would be pouring the coconut oil. So here my flame is on medium. Do keep the flame to medium heat. And then we'll wait for our oil to just heaten up a little bit, and after that we would be adding our peanut butter into this. So guys, for our oil to become hot, it will take just about half a minute. After that we would be adding our peanut butter into this. After adding the peanut butter, make sure that you're mixing the peanut butter very nicely with the oil. Make sure that you're mixing it continuously till you obtain an uniform mixture of peanut butter and oil. So guys, as you can see here, we have obtained an uniform mixture. Now into this we would be adding our honey, and you keep the flame on low at this point. So guys, we'll mix the honey well with the peanut butter oil mixture. After mixing it well and you find that you have obtained an uniform mixture, switch off the flame of the gas. So after you switch off the gas, you add just a pinch of salt into this. As you are making a healthy bar, we would be adding pink salt into this, or rock salt also will do. So guys, our next step is pouring this peanut butter mixture into a mixing bowl. So guys, after you add the peanut butter mixture in the mixing bowl, you would be adding the rolled oats into this. Now the reason we are using rolled oats and not instant oats is because rolled oats would be a quick option for binding of this peanut butter bar that we are making, and instant oats won't do this magic. So guys, our peanut butter oats bar mixture is ready here, completely ready. Now we are going to transfer this into a baking tray. If you have a baking tray, you can line it with butter paper and you can transfer it into that. But here I am using a small thali. As you can see, this thali has edges in that, so that after my peanut butter bar is ready after freezing, I can cut it into cubes. I can cut it into square shapes. So now I'll drop in my mixture on this thali, and I'm going to flatten it evenly with the help of spoon, or if you have spatula you can use that as well. So guys, here I'm done flattening my peanut butter oats mixture. Now this is gonna go in the refrigerator for straight 4 hours. After 4 hours we'll be removing our peanut butter bar. So guys, here our peanut butter oats bar is ready. As you saw, it was really very quick to prepare, and this you can store it in the refrigerator for about 1 week, and you can use this for about a week. So guys, this peanut butter bar is a very healthy option if you want to snack. At times during tea time you grab biscuits and you eat it. So rather than that, you can go in for this healthy option, that is peanut butter oats bar. So guys, if you did like this recipe, please do give a thumbs up, and also do mention it in the comment box as to how it has turned out for you guys. And for that you would be needing to try this at home. So please do try this at home and let me know in the comment section as to how it has turned out. So guys, if you still haven't subscribed to Spice and Mix, please do subscribe and also press the bell icon so that in future whenever I upload any videos you get the notification. And please do like and share the videos as much as possible.